Hello everyone, my name is Chaco and you're watching Chaco's World. Phew. How is the setup? This setup here. Do you guys like it? Comment down below if you like it. Today, I have got with me something rather, probably you guys will think it very cool, rather unusual, but I got it. It's a gaming keyboard, or for me, personally, a video editing keyboard that I can use to edit my videos from now on. It's a keyboard, and it's a super one. I've been using it for a long time right now, and I wanted to show it to you guys. So, let's get going, and let's see what the Logitech G915 has to offer for us today. This is the Logitech G915 gaming keyboard. So, first of all, let's talk about this fantabulous keyboard. First of all, I just want to say, clickable factor. It's just like how it sounds. It's super. This keyboard has some key features which need to be addressed. Key feature number 1. They've named this the light speed feature of this keyboard. It is absolutely light speed because I used it on my laptop. I checked it and I used it on my laptop for about like a couple of weeks, and this thing is super responsive, super fast, and it's how the spec says it as well. 1 ms responsive time. And if you don't know, 1 ms responsive time is probably the best ms responsive time a gamer can have to play games, or a video editor can have. There is no lag when editing videos. You can edit it perfectly, crisply. Number 2, extremely light design. Super slick, thin. You can literally hold it like this within 2 hands. Because it's very thin, it's very comfortable when coming to editing videos or playing games. Very comfortable. On button. On. And da 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 da. Wow, right? It's like a festival, right? All the colors, like every single color. There's apparently like 16.8 different color tones here. Wow, looks very vibrant. And there are a few modes here for the colors. I've set it on mode 3 right now. There's mode 1, which is if you put on mode 1, it just becomes like a fancy disco kind of style. And then here if you put on mode 2, it becomes kind of like a slow and steady kind of style. And mode 3, which is my favorite mode, and it's just like a mixing in with the color kind of thing. There are 3 modes, as you can see, mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, and yeah, it is just a vibrant amount of colors just shining. I absolutely love it. These are the color controls, and then towards the right hand side we have 4 different controls. A Wi-Fi tethering, and if you on that you can connect with the Wi-Fi, like if you can connect with the laptop's Wi-Fi or your computer's Wi-Fi. We can connect via Bluetooth. It's a Bluetooth connecting option. And the 3rd button here enables you to lock in the keys, which I don't really know how to use. I'm just getting used to this. Last button on this side is kind of like a brightness button, and you turn it on, it becomes super bright. If you keep on pressing it, the brightness gets dimmer and dimmer and becomes gone. This is kind of like a scroll wheel. You scroll it all day long. If you're using the keyboard and it's connected to a laptop or computer, there's 2 green lights here, 2 indicators. One is a caps lock indicator to indicate if caps lock is on, and a green light will be shone upon there. And this is a very, I don't know if you can see that clearly, but it's a battery indicator, battery life indicator, and it indicates how much battery you're at. If you're at 15% or below 15%, the green light for the battery indicator will be on. If this green light is on, it signifies that you should charge the keyboard. The 4th key feature of this keyboard is remarkable battery life. To be honest with you, I haven't charged this keyboard a single time, and it's been 3 consistent weeks that I've been using it, and this keyboard does the next level battery performance. I do not know what percent it is at, but it hasn't been the time for a charge yet. I can 100% say that this keyboard's battery life is like something that you've never seen before. Whatever feature you need, it's in this keyboard. Whatever feature you need. Did you know that apart from these controls and these controls, there is an extra set of controls, and right above the number pad there is an extra set of 4 controls where you can control media consumption. Like if you're watching a video or music or something like that on your laptop, you can play the music here using this button, pause it, skip it forward using that button, or even mute the audio using this button, the mute option. These 4 keys are key to quick controls while watching or listening to something. Now towards the back side of the keyboard, we have nothing too special. We just have 1, 2, and 3 3 grips to really put the keyboard and place it firmly on a table. There is one flap that can be open and another flap towards this side, one flap that can be open like this, and then you can like rest it on a table and work, which is very comfortable as well. I still can't stop looking at these lights, right? You have to look at them. Anyway, did I tell you something? This is the website that you have to go to on your laptop or computer. It's available for both Windows 10 and Mac OS downloads, so feel free, if you're both users, you can still get this. So it's for people that are interested in purchasing Logitech items, such as the keyboard that I've reviewed in this video. And it gives this website, if you go to it, gives you a lot of G-Hub tips and tricks and how to customize a wide range of other Logitech products. It gives you a lot of good, handy keyboard shortcuts, which I thought was very handy. And then if you scroll down, you can manage other devices that are using the Logitech software. You can get to know your G-Hub by recognizing gear automatically, dragging and dropping, switching your profiles. You can easily control your string. My most favorite option in this whole website, or this Logitech G-Hub, is colorizing and syncing your gear to match you and your video editing needs. Overall, the Logitech G915 keyboard is the go-to for gamers and video editors that are looking for a premium device for their necessities. Thank you everyone for watching, and remember to always stay safe and stay happy.